What's up, my friends? Fairfighter here, and today we're gonna be working with some independence for the fingers. The first exercise that I have for you guys, it's really simple and it's based on the mother of the basic exercises. I think, yeah, it's the simplest, the mother of the simplest. So the thing is that we're going to work with the 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I know, boring. But the thing here and the tip that I can give you is to start working in different combinations. Yeah, we all done like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first exercise and tip that I can give you is to do it finding all the combinations that you can do per finger. If you realize we have I think 6 combinations per finger. I think, yeah, 6, yeah, I think it is. So we have the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the next one? 1, 2, 4, 3, or 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3. Then what else we have? 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3. Next one, 1, 3, 4, 2. Sorry. And yeah, next 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, and finally 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. So basically this is it. But how we're gonna practice this? What I like to do is to go with one combination all the way until my pinky reaches the 12th fret of the first string. What does that mean? That I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going up, and then I'm going down, and then I'm going up, until I'm doing the last set. This is like my last point, and from here I go back with the next combination that will be 1, 2, 4, 3, and then I'm going all the way back. It's fun, right? And the same goes until I arrive here. Once I finish here, I start with the next combination that will be 1, 3, 2, 4. And that's where it starts to get challenging. You know, like it's not because of the combinations are difficult. It's because you have to keep your brain working all the time with you. When I arrive to the end, I'm gonna go with the next one and the next one. Now, what's the challenge in here? The challenge is to do this non-stop. So it's 6 combinations per finger. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You finish here, you rest, and then you can start 6 combinations with the finger number 2. 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4. Let's imagine that this is the 12th fret, and then we go with the next one, right? Will be 2, 1, 4, 3. Don't worry, I will add you a document with all the finger combinations that you can do, and in the order that I practice them. So maybe you will find some logic, because I found some logic to practice this. It's really simple. Yeah. So basically, you can also do the same with the third finger. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 4. And then 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, and 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 3, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1. So there's like a lot of combinations. At least if we're doing 6 per finger, we have 24 at least. And with those, you can start working the independence on your fingers. It's an amazing trick. It's one of the most basic tricks, but like taking to the next level. What else? The next exercise that I have for you guys, It's based on the previous exercise, but this is the challenge. The challenge here is like to do one combination of fingers every string. So what we're gonna do is 1 2 3 4, and the next string 2 3 4 1 3 4 1 2 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 4 3 4 1 2 4 1 2 3 3 4 2 3 4 1 3 4 1 2 4 1 2 3. I go on and go on. The idea of this is to have a lot of control on your brain and your fingers. So all the control, brain, fingers, connection. There you go. 1 2 3 4. Oh, attention here. When I arrive to the end, what I'm gonna do is to go back in reverse. So I'm gonna go 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 4. So the next part, or the next the next exercise that we can work in here, it's to work 1 2 3 4, but moving only one by one the fingers. That means that you will hold the position of their fingers that are not required to move. What do I mean? 1 2 3 4. All my fingers are staying there. I'm not moving them. 1 2 3 4. They only move when they are required. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Yeah. You see? This is a little bit more difficult here. Don't push yourself to do it on speed. Try to do it slow. Here, the most important thing of this exercise and the following two that are coming, it's that you need to think about it. You need to be concentrated on what you are doing. So yeah, don't worry. Like, don't worry if you're doing it super slow. If you're like going like this, 1 2 4, and then 1 2 3 4. Don't worry. The idea is that actually you can make it, because that's how you will make the connection in your brain. That's how you build the connection with your brain and your fingers. That's how you learn. So it will be slow and understanding the process of how you move only one finger at a time. And the second exercise, based on the same concept, will be 1 3 2 4, but we're gonna use two strings. So 1 3 2 4. Again, 1 and 3 on the 6th string, 2 and 4 in the 5th. I'm gonna move only the finger that I need to move, and I'm gonna go to the next two strings. That is gonna be the 4th string and the 3rd string. 1 3 2 4. 1 3 2 4. Whoa, that's more complex. The way back, it's gonna be the opposite. 2 4 1 3. 2 4 1 3. 2 4 1 3. We arrive to the same position. Remember not to move any other finger that it's not required to. Yeah. Next independence exercise. This is gonna be crazy. It's in my opinion, is one of the most difficult. So it's the most difficult of these exercises that I'm giving to you. So also do it slow, do it with patience, and sooner or later you will get it. So let's give it a go. It's the same system. Two strings. It's gonna be 1 4 2 3. 1 4 2 3. 1 4 2 3. 1 4 2 3. Same. The way back it will be the same. 2 3 1 4 2 3 1 4 2 3 1 4 1 4 2 3. Remember, it's gonna be so easy if you just do this. But it's not about that. It's about holding the fingers where they are. And then it's gonna be complicated. You see? Concentrate. Every finger at a time. All the finger, each finger at a time. And there you go. I hope it's useful for you. And there's one extra exercise that I have for you, and this one helped me a lot, especially when I was struggling with I think it was the third or this, I don't remember which finger was the one that was like so problematic for me, the third or the second. I mean the middle finger or the index finger, I don't know which one. But the thing is that what you have to do here is to hold your pinky. It's gonna be always here, and then the next finger is gonna be only there, only there, only there. What we're gonna do with the rest of the fingers, move them along the strings. I'm gonna leave my pinky in the first string, fourth fret. And I'm always making it sound with this. You see, I'm touching always this note. Then the next finger, I'm gonna hold this finger here. Yep. Then this one is difficult. Again, don't worry if it sounds weird, if it sounds strange. It will sound strange. But the idea here is to work with your brain and the guitar, yeah? So remember to hold this finger, nothing happens, you can move. And also with this, just... The idea is leave the finger, don't move it at all. I know that at the beginning the finger will try to move by himself, but just order with your brain, like, no, you stay there, okay? Yeah, just like that. And so, my friends, that was everything for today. Independence, like, what, can I say Independence Day? No, Independence Exercises Day. Independence Exercises Day. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's keep in touch and see you in the next one. Bye!